Welcome to the auction. There you go. Wisconsin welcomes us, huh? Where's our trophies? Oh, I see it right there. It's right there. I see it. O, mój Mercedes. Mój Mercedes. Ja widzę, jak widzę, nie bój się. O, popatrz, babkety mają. Zobacz. Everything they got here. Oh, we got a car over here. This is for us. Right here. I already got a bobcat. I want this one. What's wrong with this thing? All right. Well, we come pick up our toys. We found some more fun things. What does this one need? Ooh, a little bit of a damage. Not so bad, apparently. Lines and lines of cars. This is a small auction. You go to Texas. Texas has a lot of cars. This is a lot. If you think this is a lot, some of the Texas auctions in Copart or IEA, they have like 10 times this much. So this isn't that a lot, but it's impressive. Any makes, any models. A lot of them probably not ready for sale anyway, so you can only look and drill. Jak nie srać, to sikać, cały czas stosik. Then we got some classics here. Look at this thing. What is it? Triumph? Oh, it's a Fiat. This is cool. My dad would love this. Looks like unfinished project or something. This is a Fiat, I believe 124. Voila. Alright, where is our beast? This one. And here's our boss. Oh boy. Let's hope this thing starts. Alright, we are here. Let's go, Grandpa. Alright. Let's see if this thing opens. Oh, it opens. Sesame, open up. Oh boy. Yep. That's why they... Oh, we're definitely not gonna drive it. Because they took out the shaft and we didn't bring enough tools. Crap, that's not good. Okay. There's some toilet here. Oh, look, a big shower. Too small for me, unfortunately. What else we got here? Couches. Chair tables, alright. It looked like they was doing some major remodeling here. Alright, what we got here? Ooh, Cummins, 24 valve. This is a nice engine. This is nice. That's why they got generator in front, so when you're sleeping, it doesn't make a noise. This is sweet, that's where the engine is at. Right under here, where you're sleeping. Got all the batteries hooked up and connected. We were missing a couple cables, but we got them connected. Nothing is sparking. Positive and negative. Let's go give it a try now. See if this thing fired up. Oh boy. There's no room to work on this thing because they parked this up with this damn semi right here. Alright. One more try. Oh. You got the lights on. Let's find out if this is gonna crank. Egidia, what you think? Nothing. Hey, baby! Woo, woo, woo! Fire in the hole! That's what we were driving this on, baby! Alright, let's hook up the drive shaft. Because with this thing, we cannot drive. Oh, we got it running, it's all good. But we're missing parts for the drive shaft. So we go to the dealer to get some parts for the drive shaft so we can move this thing. Got like 30 minutes there, 30 minutes back. Alright, we were back at the auction. We got all the parts. Hopefully we can put it in and we can move this sucker out of here. Alright, here's our trophy. Ooh. Got the missing parts. Let's put this thing back in there. A drive shaft, a little baby drive shaft so we can drive it away. Woohoo! We let the air suspension is working and so the leveling. Running. Water runs really good. Oh, like a couple minutes before the auction closed and we got her running. She stops, I gotta go quicker. Quick test drive. He's alive. He's running. Oh boy. Vehicles. Oh my goodness. Oh, they closed the auction already. They gotta let us go. No way. Come on, let us out. And I'm driving it. All right. Lovely. Focus on the road. This thing is awesome. Never had a bus this big. Woohoo! Oh yeah! Holy moly! Holy moly! We finally left. Got the warning for the low water. We already put 3 gallons. I think I gotta put 2 more. So we get into the gas station to get some fluid. The run's pretty good. Everything else is good. We need some fuel, diesel. All right, let's focus on the road. I'll give you more update, guys, down the road. We'll see how it goes. Kareta jest piękna. Dojechaliśmy do gas station i lejemy mu paliwo. Brak hamulców awaryjnych, ale normalne robią. No cóż to. Ojejku, może dojedziemy do domu. A tak jest w pokojach. Patrz jaki wóz. A? Jest. Płytki, marmury. Alright, so you can see we made it home all in one piece. Even though the taillights weren't working, it was kind of scary because it got dark. Good thing I had a protection in the back. Grandpa was driving behind me. Oh, runs and drives nice. Brakes are all fine, tires are okay. Back ones are good, front ones are pretty crappy. We're gonna have to replace them. It needs a little body work here and there, like a molding right there you can see is missing. And I gotta probably spend a good few hours though peeling all this old plastic off. Whoever put a wrap on it before, it's pretty old. So some heat gun and other stuff we're gonna have to do. But overall, not a bad shape. Pretty nice buy.